Maintenance overdue warning light. This is a Volvo S60 2014 model, and I'm going to show you how to reset that in this video now. So the buttons we'll be using will be the start button and then this OK button here at the side. You will need both hands free for this, so you will be doing them in conjunction with another. And the other thing that you need to do is make sure that the odometer is set to T2. So you want to make sure that that's set to trip 2. To set it to T2, there's a little roller at the back of the button here. Sorry it's so bright, the light is shining in. But that roller flicks that back and over. So you want that set to T2. Then we take the key out and we will start the whole process again. So when you push the key in, you push the start, then you hold the OK and you push the start button and keep it held down. And the service has now been reset. So just to recap on this, it's make sure you're on T2, push the start button, then you go and press and hold the OK button here, followed by holding the start button again. You continuously hold those two down without putting your foot on the brake until you should hear a chime. In this particular one I didn't, and then the service is reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I have how to do an oil change on this particular model car as well, so I'll be linking that in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.